Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer crypto from Robinhood to Trustwallet. At this particular moment you won't be able to do it only because Robinhood won't allow it. At this time we don't allow users to transfer their existing cryptocurrency assets out of their Robinhood crypto account. There are a few reasons for this, but we probably want to prevent funds in Robinhood crypto from being used for illegal transactions. This is like PR stuff. They won't allow it because of profit or something, like I don't know the reason behind it, but don't buy crypto on Robinhood. Like, what is the only way how we can do it is if you would come here, you need to sell it in Robinhood, then you need to, like, depends where you're from, pay taxes, and then you're gonna have fiat, and then you need to actually go to Coinbase, Binance, whatever platform you choose, or Trustwallet, etc. So this is pretty much it how we do it. You need to sell it, you're gonna have fiat, and then you need to buy it elsewhere and get it on Trustwallet, or buy it straight away in Trustwallet. So this is the only way how we can do it. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.